Hi friends, hi children. Today let us see the letter E. You have an eagle here. What else do you see in this picture? There is an elephant and there is a bird whose name is Emu. And you see some eggs here. Whose eggs are these? Are they eagle's eggs or are they emu's eggs? Do you know something very special? Today, the bird emu, it is the second largest bird in the whole world. Second largest bird. Which is the first largest bird? It is ostrich. Ostrich. The emu is the second largest bird. Do you know where it is found? It is found in Australia. It has very big eggs, big, not small ones. The small ones could be of the eagle. Okay, children? Now, there is a story about this bird emu. You find it in the sky. Emu is found in the sky. I am going to narrate this story for you in a little while. Okay? I am also going to tell you a story about the eagle. You know, once there was an eagle being caught in the fields and a farmer found it. The farmer was surprised that even the king of the skies, eagle is called the king of the skies. Even the king of the skies is fallen into trouble. The farmer felt pity for the eagle and went and freed the eagle. And the eagle, before soaring into the sky, it made circular motion to show its gratitude to the farmer and then disappeared in the sky. After a few days, the farmer was feeling tired after working in the fields. He was sleeping under a old building in the shade, under the shade of the building. And then suddenly his cap was being taken away by the eagle. You know, this is the bird eagle. And the farmer got very angry. He said, "You dirty bird, you've taken my cap." Then he saw that the eagle was taking his cap towards a tree and he placed it under the tree. Then when the farmer followed the eagle and found his cap, suddenly he saw behind, and then the building was getting collapsed. The building where he was sleeping, it was getting collapsed. It was falling. "Oh my gosh," said the farmer. And he realized that this was the same eagle whom he had freed a few days ago. So friends, you see, when we help others, others also help us. So whatever you do to others, those things will be done unto you. It will get back to you. The good things you do will get back to you. It will come back to you. So always remember to help your friends, to help your relatives, and also to help yourself. So that will give you a good feeling. Now I will tell you a little story about this bird emu. Emu who lays big eggs in the bushes. One day there was a blind man who used to get very angry with his wife, and he would pester his wife, make his wife to go and get eggs for him. Okay? And whenever she brought eggs for him, he would get angry, telling that these eggs are very small, you get me big eggs. And the poor lady, the blind man's wife, went in search of big eggs of the bird emu. And she found very big eggs in one of the bushes, and she threw stones at the bushes. Then the bird emu rose, and it came and hit her and killed her. Now this blind man who was waiting for his wife got worried. He was thinking what had happened to his wife. Then slowly he got up and then went on following his wife's footsteps, and on the way he got some bushes, and in the bushes there were some blackberries, and he ate those blackberries and he got back his eyesight. He was so happy to see the world, and he went on in search of his wife. As he followed the footsteps of his wife, he came near the bushes of emu, and then he had spears in his with him, and he killed the bird, and also he found his wife's dead body over there. He killed the bird and sent the spirit into the sky. Whose spirit? Emu spirit. So even today in the dark sky you can see the bird emu in the form of Milky Way, okay, in the sky. So let us come back to know the letter E. E-G-G, egg. The name of this bird is eagle. Eagle. Here you have elephant. Elephant. And the bird emu. So did you like the stories that I narrated to you? Now let's trace and practice the letter E. Standing line, sleeping lines. And to write small letter, you do a sleeping line and then a curve. Standing line, small sleeping lines. Standing line and small sleeping lines. Children who do not know to write, parents can help them to follow the line concept by keeping small dots. Okay, and then letter E. Let us see the picture here and then circle the pictures that begin with E. What is this, children? Ear. Ear. So E, sound E is the ear. Engine. Engine. Eyes. This is the bird. B. B, not E. Therefore, this does not begin with E. It's the cradle. Cradle. K, not E. Therefore, don't circle it. Now write the first letter of the words. Look at the picture. What is this, children? It's a railway engine. Engine. E-N-G-I-N-E. Engine. Eyes. E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Ear. E-A-R. Ear. Emu. E-M-U. Emu. E-M-U. Emu. Egg. E-G-G. Egg. Eagle. E-A-G-L-E. Please practice the letter E and complete this page. Okay, children? And also color this egg. That's all for today. Have a nice day.